1, 2, 3.
What's up everyone, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel, and today we'll be learning Levitating by Dua Lipa. So I'm just going to go through the chords first, and basically this song only has 3 chords, really simple, so let's just get straight into it. So the first chord in this song is a B minor, and I'll show you the bar chords first, okay? And the next chord we have is F sharp minor. Chord after that is E minor, and then we go back to B minor, right? And then it loops again. So basically, only 3 different types of chords. So if you guys can't play bar chords yet, here are the easy versions of the chords. So a B minor, you can play it on an open string and it sounds like this. Okay, and then we have the F sharp minor, just fret 3 strings with your index finger, top 3 strings. Okay, and then we have the E minor, classic E minor, everyone knows. Then back to B minor. Technically this is like a B minor 7, 11, but it still works, okay? The first strumming pattern I'm going to teach you is really easy, and it follows like the rhythm of the chorus. Da 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 da, right? So what it is, it's like this. It's just downstroke and upstroke. So I'm going to take a B minor, just like that. Okay? So basically what I'm doing is actually I'm hitting like a downstroke on beat 1. Then beats 1, E, and the I'm doing an upstroke. So 1, E, and Now on beats 2, I just mute it with my left hand, right hand. Mute the guitar strings. 1 E, and 2 E, and right? Same thing with all the rest of the chords. So each chord is 2 beats long. So B minor for 2 beats, F sharp minor for 2 beats, then goes to a new bar, E minor for 2 beats, B minor for 2 beats. Right? So muting is really important, because if you don't mute it, it sounds like this. And that's not as clean sounding as when you mute it, so you just want to mute it, and you can do it with the chords here too. Right? So I'm just muting with my right hand. Okay, so the next strumming pattern now is a bit more challenging, and you gotta mute it with your left hand now, okay? So how it goes is like this. Okay, so it may sound challenging, but actually it's really easy, and if you've done a lot of strumming, if you learn a lot of songs, this will come off really easily. So I'm just going to break it down for you. So what it is actually a variation of the first strumming pattern we learned with just more added strums, right? So what I do is I strum downstroke on beat 1, right? Now on beat N of 1, I'm striking down the strings, a downstroke, but I'm muting the strings with my left hand. 1, E, N. And the I'm playing upstroke. So it's like, yep, 1, E, N, okay? So again, and then you can just practice this with the whole chord progression. Okay? So we're gonna add the next part. After you're comfortable with that, then we're just gonna add the next part, okay? And the next part is like this. Now on beats 2 and 2E, I'm doing a downstroke and upstroke by muting the guitar. 2E, 1E, and So far so good. Okay. 1 E and 2 E. Then on beats and 2 E and the and of the 2, you're gonna press down the guitar strings and let the chord ring. 1 E and 2 E and 1 E and 2 E and okay. So you mute on 2 E, but the and you don't mute it. 1 E and 2 E and then do the same for every chord. And then there you go. You just learn 2 strumming patterns for this song. And this will train your left hand to do a lot of muting, and it's just a good exercise to get into funk style playing, funk style rhythm guitar. This song is really catchy, it's really fun, and the good thing is that the chord progression just loops and loops and loops. So this is a good song for you to just practice your 16-note funk playing. Alright? And another thing to just be aware is that a lot of times guitar rhythm playing sits very well with the melody of the song. And that's how I came up with the strumming pattern, because in the chorus it goes like and it sits really well with that. And because it sits really well, it goes really well with the whole song too. Okay? So I hope this guitar lesson is really helpful to all of you guys out there checking out my channel. If this guitar lesson is helpful, please feel free to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please feel free to like it, comment on it, what lesson I should do next. And please share this with your friends. And look forward to hearing from you guys. Stay safe, take care, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.